Question: a customer site has a communication server system located at our main campus and wants to network the system for direct calls with the system in a different city. Which type of steering code is required to route calls over specified trunk routes between the two sites? Option A. Distance steering code, DSC. Option B. Remote steering code, RSC. Option C. Network plan area, NPA. Option D. Special number, SPN. The correct answer is option A. Question: the allow last digit repeat function permits a repeated last digit of an ESDN to terminate the call immediately, similar to pressing the octothorpe hash key. This prevents an ESA call from being dropped if the last ESDN digit is accidentally dialed again, but also processes the call immediately, rather than allowing an extended pause waiting for an additional digit. To use this feature, which task must you complete first? Option A. Create an emergency service directory number. Option B. Enter a misdial delay. Option C. Enable ESDN digit repetition. Option D. Enable misdial prevention. The correct answer is option D. Question: with automatic on-net to off-net overflow, if all on-net facilities such as tie trunks between locations are busy, NAS can convert a dialed UDP number to a listed directory number of the applicable DID number at that location and use off-net facilities, such as CO trunks, to complete the call. When provisioning automatic on-net to off-net overflow, which parameter is not correct? Option A. Only one listed directory number can be defined per location code, LOC. Option B. Multiple NPAs per location code are allowed. Option C. Multiple NX codes per location code can be defined. Option D. Multiple ranges of DNs within each NXX per location code can be defined. The correct answer is option D. Question: given the following network characteristics, 3 communication server REs, X systems at peer networking required DM uniqueness cannot be maintained route calls using site location codes, LOCs, which type of dialing plan is recommended for this call routing scenario? Option A. Flexible numbering plan, FNP. Option B. Coordinated dialing plan, CDP. Option C. Uniform dialing plan, UDP. Option D. Network attendant numbering plan. The correct answer is option A.